We were born do-it-yourselfers. We've always known how to build it, fix it, or install it. Teaching amateurs how to do it like a pro is what we live for. We could do what we do anywhere, but we choose to be part of a brand that gives us the support to run a successful business and the independence to be who we are. We're Kramer's True Value, Briggs Lake True Value. We're locally owned. We're about relationships, not transactions. We know our customers by name. We're in the community business, the Little League sponsorship business. At a big box store, you might hear, "What is a wrench worth?" But at True Value, you'll hear, "What is accomplishment worth?" What is sipping a cold beer with friends on a patio you landscape with your own two hands worth? What we understand better than anyone is that every project has an intangible value. A promised land of pride and achievement. Every tool, every piece of advice we give, every project we help you finish has value. The value of a can of paint isn't just the paint. It's the moment you set foot in the new baby's room and it looks exactly the way you saw it in your dreams. The value of a power sander isn't what you paid for it. It's the feeling you get when you restore a table that's been in the family for 100 years. And the value of the help and guidance we give our customers is the empowerment you feel when you realize there's nothing you can't do yourself. And knowing we can give you that feeling is why we go to work every day.